This video will be useful for those writing their UTME exam in day 3. That will be on Saturday, and day 4 Monday, and day 5 Tuesday. So this video will be helpful to you. Now this is a question from those who wrote 2 p.m. day 2. So let's look at the question one after the other. First question says that how many electrons are added to Mn04 minus when it is reduced to Mn when it is reduced to Mn2 plus. So by the time this is under oxidation and reduction, talking about redox, you understand? So this is going to be something like Mn04 minus, then it is reduced to Mn2 plus. So we need to add oxygen here, so you can actually add water here, and then we can add something like hydrogen. How many hydrogen we need to add? Let's add maybe 2 hydrogen here, so 2H plus. So if we should do this, then now let's balance this reaction. How many oxygen do we have? We have 4 oxygen, so let me actually put 4 here. The oxygen makes 4, right? Then that makes hydrogen to be 8, so let me change this to be 8. So it's now balanced. So you have 1 manganese here, we have 1 manganese here, we have 4 oxygen, you have 4 oxygen, 8 hydrogen, 8 hydrogen. So in terms of atom, it is balanced. Now in terms of the charges, which is our main point, which is the electron, which is the main thing, is that we have here, we have -1 plus 8, that is plus 7, and here we have plus 2. This side we have plus 2, this side we have plus 7. So how many are we going to add up? How many electrons are we going to add up so that is going to give us this plus 2? That means we are adding 5 electrons. That means we are adding 5e minus to this guy, so as to give us this plus 2. This is going to be like plus 7 minus 5. Plus 7 minus 5 will give us plus 2.